Hey y'all, it's Brittany Cherie, and today I tried a brand new hair gel today, which was this. It is the Style Factor Edge Booster Stronghold Styling Gel. You've probably seen tutorials about this gel all around YouTube, and there are a lot of mixed reviews about this gel. Lots of people love it. Lots of people also weren't really a fan. So when my friend was able to find this for me in a beauty supply store, shout out to my homegirl Alpha, thank you for finding this for me. But when I was finally able to get my hands on it, I really wanted to give it a try. So let's just jump right into the deets of it. So I purchased this for $14.99. I mean, this is a big old jar, big old freak jar. 16.9 ounces for 15 bucks. I think that's a really good deal. I got the pineapple scent and it smells like I'm on a vacation with a bikini and a super snatched body, a super flat stomach, some sunglasses, laid up on the beach with a pina colada with extra rum and a super chocolate gentleman by my side. You know, just glistening with coconut oil all on his body. That's what this smells like to me. Okay? It smells delicious. It smells like a vacation. So that's my first pro about it. I also love the results that it gave me. I have never been able to achieve this, you know, withhold. I feel, you know, it's here. It is here, honey, and thriving, okay? It has a very strong hold, but it's still soft for me. The definition, the volume, and I really think this is gonna hold up in Texas humidity. So I think those are pros. Cons. I didn't really like the way that it applied. It's not the easiest to apply. It's not very like slippery, and it doesn't just kind of glide through your fingers, which is why you saw in the tutorial or during the application part of the video that I put water on to kind of help it glide through my hair. So something that I will say, because I've seen other reviews of this gel on YouTube, a lot of people will complain that their hair is so hard and so crispy and so crunchy after using this gel. My advice to you, if you're trying it, is don't overdo it with the product. I literally only used that much. It's not a whole lot. This is not something that you can be heavy-handed with. So if you are a heavy-handed person, when you're using this, you need to train yourself to literally just use the bare minimum, because I promise that will be enough. Don't be going scooping globs and globs in one section, because when it dries, oh, it's gonna be crunchy like some ramen noodles before you dip them in that boiled water, okay? So I let my hair air dry for the most part while I was at work. And then on my lunch break, I did bring my blow dryer with me. So I was able to kind of like dry my roots, because my roots take forever to dry. So once it was dried, it was kind of flat. It can be kind of a little mildly crunchy, but I didn't overdo it with the gel, so it wasn't a crunch that couldn't be scrunched out. So what you'll want to do, once it's dry, whether you sit under the hooded dryer, whether you air dry, whether you diffuse the whole time, what you want to do to get that crunch out, some people put oil in their hands or whatever, some serum, do whatever you want. But I work out the crunch by like doing the praying hands method, and I just keep working. I keep doing that until like a lot of the crunch is gone. Do it on the other side. Like, you want to do this if you want soft hair. Then I took my pick, and then I like to pick my roots just a little bit. Sometimes I'll pick like through the body of my hair, but just a little bit, not enough to like ruin it or ruin the curls or anything like that. But that is how I got this look. Like, y'all, ain't God good? Don't it look good? Can you smell it? I feel like you can just reach out to the screen and just touch it. Just touch it. I give you consent to touch my hair. Go ahead. It's great, ain't it? But yeah, so if y'all have tried this gel, let me know your thoughts. If you loved it, let me know. If you hated it, let me know. But also, if you hated it, try it again. Be sure to add plenty of water to your hair when you're applying, and don't apply so much next time. And let me know how that works for you. So yeah, that is pretty much how I feel about this gel. I think this is definitely going to be my go-to this summer, especially as it gets humid and I'm going to all the day parties and I'm traveling and I want my hair to stay put. So thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my Instagram at Brittnator. Comment down below if you love this tutorial. Let me know how you feeling. Let me know what's going on, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all have an amazing day. Peace and blessings.